Hi guys, this is Sherry from Rinpac Packagings. Welcome to my channel.
How to custom paper box. The steps of customizing paper boxes can be carried out according to the following process. 1. Determine the needs. Determine the purpose of the paper box, such as gift boxes, packaging boxes, express boxes, etc. Determine the size, shape and structure of the paper box. 2. Design artwork. Use design software, such as Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW, to create the design artwork of the paper box. Make sure the design artwork meets the size and shape of actual production. 3. Select materials. Choose appropriate paper or cardboard, such as corrugated cardboard, thick cardboard, art paper, etc., according to the purpose of the paper box. Consider the thickness and durability of the material. 4. Printing and processing. Determine the printing method, such as offset printing, digital printing, etc., and prepare the printing files.
Please don't be shy, free to come chat with me. That's all for today, see you next time, bye bye.